continuing here the class. Suppose if I ask at an instant what is the heat generated in the resistor and what is the energy stored in the capacitor. Okay.
Sir, two types of heat ఉంటుంది కదా సార్.
Two types means?
సార్ అంటే కెపాసిటర్ ఛార్జ్ చేయడానికి ఎంత ఎనర్జీ వస్తుందో అందులో హాఫ్ హీట్ లోకి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, ఇంకా రెసిస్టెన్స్ దగ్గర కొంచెం హీట్ వస్తుంది కదా సార్.
Means you are saying that rest of the part in the connecting wires.
Yes sir.
I'm asking only through the resistor.
Okay sir.
Okay. So here first will I go to the resistor part now?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. So Q is equal, the heat generated in the resistor. Okay.
Use formula sir, VIT.
VIT, or else VIT means little bit big. Better I go to I square RT.
Okay sir, it will be easy.
Okay. Yeah. So Q is equals to, if I write it as I square RT nana. Your problem, once you see there, I is a function of time.
Yes sir.
Finding out the heat as a function of time.
Yes sir.
I is changing with the time means straight away I can't use this formula. I have to take some integration. I square R into dt, I square RT.
Yes sir.
Yes.
Why? Because I is changing. If I is constant, you can go through this formula. Okay.
Sir, if we want to find at an instant, then also we can use that formula, no sir?
Yeah. Here that limit we try to write like 0 to at what time you are asking. That time limit we substitute here.
Okay sir.
So limits are 0 to, you are asking at a time t, by in that time what is the heat generated. Okay. So here I square means, look at here Nana, by squaring this one, how much you get there? This is equals to
I naught square into e power minus 2t by CR.
Very good. E power minus 2t by CR. This is I square into R into dt. Is it correct, Nana? The constants, I took them
Yes
up.
sir.
I took them up. Here, what is I naught value, Nana? I naught is
E by R.
good. E by R. Provided internal resistance is equal to ideal set. Okay, otherwise I have to write R plus R.
Yes sir.
Good. So here, I naught square.
Sir, e square by R అయిపోతుంది.
Good. I naught square is E square by R square into R. That is E square by R. This part is E square by R. By substituting I naught is equals to E by R. Into integrate, that integration I think you can say e power minus 2t by CR
into minus 2 by CR.
Minus CR by 2 sir.
Into minus CR by,
Minus CR by 2.
divided by minus 2 by CR kadra.
Oh, sorry sir.
Integration kada. Okay, right. No problem. So here, if we see minus CR by 2 into minus
R will get cancelled.
R will get cancelled and you are getting, this is minus C E square by 2. Am I right, Nana? Okay.
Yes.
Into E power minus 2t by CR. This is in the limits from 0 to t. I am asking after time t, what will be the total heat generated. Therefore, I am getting here Q is equals to minus CE square by 2 into first upper limit e power minus 2 by CR minus, I think this you will get 1 Nana by substituting lower limit.
Yes sir.
Yes.
So all together you are getting Q is equals to half CE square into 1 minus e power minus 2t by CR. Is it right, Nana?
Yes sir.
Good. This is the story. This is what the equation for the heat generated in the resistor. This is the heat part. So related to heat, if they ask the questions directly, you can use this formula. After how much time? Suppose after a time t, this is how much heat will be generated. You can use it straight away. And what is the heat generated across the capacitor? Raised hand. What's the problem, Nana? Again. Next, what we want to find out, Nana, what is the energy stored in the capacitor? Energy stored in the capacitor means the energy U is equals to, this is
half VQ, sir.
Nana?
Half VQ formula we can use.
Yeah, very good. Half VQ or half CV square, half Q square by C. Anything you can use.
Okay.
Right.
Yes.
So, yeah, energy stored in the capacitor. Okay. Is equals to.
Sir, the energy stored after completely charge లేదా ఒక instant of time లో
At an instant I am asking.
మరి అప్పుడు మళ్ళీ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ వాడాలి కదా సార్.
Then look at ante you are getting the t term or not?
వస్తుంది సార్.
Now it is correct. So after integrating using this method by substituting V2 value and dq value here, and I did some integration, I think everything is correct. And going to substitute the limits, Nana. What are the limits? From 0 to t. Yeah. So I am not using the formula straight away according to your question what you raised. Okay, I am not using that formula. So I am going to integrate original method. Okay. So using that original method, I got this equation and substituting the limits, Nana, here. This is minus C E square into first upper limit minus e power minus t by CR minus e power minus 2t by CR by 2. This is upper limit minus lower limit, Nana. This is only upper limit.
0, sir.
That you get 0, Nana? Correct. 0.
1 minus 1.
Yeah, 1 minus 2. This 1 minus half.
Sir, 1 minus half, sir.
Oh, sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Here e power 0 is 1 minus e power 0 is 1 by 2. 1 minus half. So here, what can I get finally? E power minus c square into here 1 minus half, that is half. Okay. So here this is minus half plus, can I take e power minus t by CR common, Nana?
Yes, sir.
T by CR common into, is it confusing or
Sir, అది plus half కదా సార్.
Where, Nana?
ఇక్కడ మైనస్ కామన్ తీస్తారు అనుకున్నాను సార్.
Right. Minus t by CR into this one bracket of 1 minus e power minus t by CR by 2. Is it correct, Nana?
Correct,
Yes,
sir.
Good. Now I am taking minus also common. This is the last step. Therefore, U is equals to CE square into half minus e power minus t by CR into of 1 minus e power minus t by CR by 2. So any mistake is there, Nana, in this equation? This is what energy stored in the capacitor. Okay. This is the energy stored in, Nana?
No, sir. I was saying like directly we can use like that half VQ like that, no, sir.
But I think this is the right. I think this is the right procedure.
But sir.
సార్ చార్జ్ అడిగారా సార్ గ్రాఫ్?
Yeah.
సార్ ఇది ఇంక్రీజింగ్ గ్రాఫ్ వస్తుంది సార్.
Increasing graph, very good. Means if I take a graph like this, taking the time on x-axis and a charge on y-axis, will it start from 0 or something?
0 sir.
Zero.
Yeah, good. Why? Because at t is equals to 0, charge is equals
మరి
to
ఇక్కడ
0.
E ఉంది కాబట్టి ఎక్స్పోనెన్షియల్ షేప్ లో వస్తుంది.
Right. I think you will get one exponential graph like this. Am I right? Increasing graph.
Yes sir.
And after a time, a long time, infinity in milliseconds scale, the charge becomes maximum. That becomes maximum. Almost at t is equals to infinity, the charge is maximum, which is equals to q naught. Is it right, Nana?
Yes, sir.
And here, look at exponential term. I got e power minus t by cr, Nana. Okay. This exponential term, if you see here, according to dimensions, exponential terms don't have any dimension formula. That's why can I say t by cr has no dimensional formula. Is it correct, Nana? I think it is correct. Why? Because it is in exponential term. Exponential terms, logarithmic terms, trigonometric terms, they don't have dimensional formula. That's why here exponential term I got here t by cr. So t by cr has no dimensional formula. No dimensional formula means, can I write the dimensional formula of t by cr equals to m power
constant
power 0 t power 0, Nana?
Yes, sir.
That implies what he is saying, t dimensional formula is t is equals to, by taking cross multiplication, this is 1, Nana, 1 into cr, I am getting the dimension for cr as a t. It is the dimension.
Voice break అవుతుంది సార్ మీది మధ్యలో. No sir, it's clear.
Sir,
Yes, sir, it's clear, sir.
ఇందాక బ్రేక్ అవుతుండే సార్.
If I ask what is the dimensional formula of CR, dimensional formula I'm getting equals to the dimensional formula of time. So it is the dimensional formula of time. Okay. Formula of CR actually, sorry, CR. And that I got T. Means dimensionally, can I say CR is equals to time, Nana?
Dimension we can say, sir.
That's why the CR here I am taking it as is called, defining it as time constant. Okay, why? Because CR is dimensionally equal to time, where C and R both are constants. Constant into constant, you will get a constant. So CR is called as time constant. Is it clear, Nana?
Yes, sir.
So representing with the letter either tau or lambda, that is your wish. You can represent with the tau or lambda. So can I rewrite the same equation as Q is equals to Q naught into 1 minus e power t by tau, Nana? Simply, without C.
Yes, sir.
This is the equation. Okay. Then why you are saying that this time constants are, many times in exam he asked the questions in terms of time constant. Means here one time what he asked, after one time constant. Okay, here after one time constant, what is the charge on the capacitor? Q equals to how much? He asked now. Means in place of T, what I have to substitute?
Tau.
That's what I'm saying. So here in place of T is equals to a one time constant.
Sir, Q naught into 1 minus 1 by E అయిపోతుంది.
Good. Q naught into 1 minus e power minus 1. That is 1 by E. You are right. 1 by E value mathematically that is equals to 0.37 now. Okay. So if I substitute here 0.37, how much I am going to get there?
0.63.
So can I say it as 0.63 as 63%, okay, into Q naught. So can I conclude here the charge grows to 63% of maximum in one time constant. Okay, 63% means almost came to here somewhere. 63%. This is 63% of Q naught. Okay, and that time the T is equals to time constant. Here T is equals to tau. Okay, means look at here how quickly the charge is growing in the capacitor. Just in one time constant, the charge raises to the 63% of maximum. Okay, means it is taking less time or more time here.
Less time.
Very less time.
Yeah, good. That too, how can you say, sir? Capacity generally we take in microfarad. Okay, resistor, even though if you take in mega ohm or milli ohm, sorry, kilo ohm, even if you take it in kilo ohms, means very high resistance you are using here, then C into R becomes in the order of 10 power minus 3, I think.
Yes, sir.
10
Very
power
less.
minus 6.
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes,
10
sir,
power
10 power
plus 3. Order of 10 power minus 3. That's why I told this time changes in milliseconds. Already I told to you all. Okay. Time is equal to infinity means that is measured in milliseconds, not in seconds. Okay. This is the story briefly what he explained. Is it clear, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any doubts in the middle?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Good. Then here the questions, suppose related to, if I ask the what is that importance of steady state. Okay. For that I am giving one example, Nana. Suppose this is one circuit. It is a resistor, say some 1 kilo ohm, and here it is connected like this in parallel to one resistor and a capacitor. Capacity is 1 microfarad. A resistance is some 500 ohms. Okay, and it is connected to one practical cell here like this. Cell of EMF, I am taking it here like some 100 volts. Okay, and okay, better I take internal resistance is equals to 0. Okay, this is the story now. In this case, if the circuit is in, if the given circuit, okay, right, if the combination is, the circuit is in steady state, what is the charge on capacitor? Okay, this is the question. So here, to get more clarity, better we change the values here. Why? Because we will get more clarity if I change the values like this. Suppose I take here, this is this one is, I am taking small r is equals to 10 ohms, and this resistance is 990 ohms. Okay, here this type of question, first of all, from the cell the current starts like this, I, and actually according to junction law current should be splitted like this, here and there.
సార్ స్టడీ స్టేట్ అంటే జీరో కదా సార్?
Which is 0?
ఈ కెపాసిటర్ లోంచి వెళ్ళే వైర్.
అంటే are you saying I2 or I1?
I2 సార్.
Yeah, this story. Steady state means steady state, the current through the resistor which is connected in series to the capacitor becomes 0, not the total current. Okay, na? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Can I take I1 is equals to straight away I, Nana?
In steady state, yes.
Current is not splitted there. Then in this case, straight away, there is no splitting of current, means this whole circuit is in series. Means the two resistors are in series.
Yes, sir.
Then here the total current, can I write it as E by R plus R, Nana? Using the loop law?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then E is 100, R plus R, 990 plus 10, that is 1000. And getting I is equals to 0.1 ampere. Okay. Then here, how to find the charge on the capacitor, Nana? Do you have any idea? Charge on this capacitor. Steady state.
Sir, charge on the capacitor is C into E, sir.
C into E means if there is no internal resistor.
అంటే ఇక్కడేమో
IR.
E minus IR అయిపోతుంది కదా సార్.
Okay, no problem. ఏమంటారు నాన్న?
ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇంటర్నల్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఉంది కాబట్టి E minus IR అవుతుంది అంటే
Right. Very good. You can say here the potential difference across the ends, what you are saying, either E minus IR or I into 990.
yes
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I think both are same.
yes sir.
So V is equals to, can I write here as E minus I into small r, or that is equals to I into capital. Okay, Nana? So here E minus IR, you will get how much, Nana? 99. Or I into R also 99. So V is equals to, I am getting I into capital R 990. That I am going to get 99 volts. Mari, that 99 volts won't split like V1 and V2, Nana?
No, sir, parallel.
సార్ స్టడీ స్టేట్ లో దీని
Not there, Nana. Here.
ఇక్కడే సార్ స్టడీ స్టేట్ లో 500 ohms కి జీరో కదా సార్ వోల్టేజ్.
ఏమంటావు స్టడీ స్టేట్ లో
500 ohms దగ్గర వోల్టేజ్ జీరో కదా సార్.
Good. Suppose if I take them as like V1 and V2 here across the capacitor, across the resistor, V1 plus V2 is equals to total V, that is equals to 99. And in steady state, you said that is correct. V1 equals to 0. Why? Because current through the resistor equals to 0. Therefore, V1 equals to 0. 0 plus V2 is equals to 99. V2 is equals to 99. Later on, I think you can say last step.
99 into 1.
Right. Q
1
is
into
equals
10
to,
power minus 6 వాడాలా సార్?
yeah, obviously. Or else you can say in microcoulomb.
ఓకే సార్.
1 is microfarad. 1 into 99 if I take, straight away, yeah, I can write it as 99, but microcoulomb. So is it clear on a steady state model?
yes sir.
Or do you have any doubt? This is minus Q. I think I explained here. Why I wrote here minus Q.
Yes, sir.
Why I wrote minus Q here, Nana?
Because it's
Loss of
lost.
Because the capacitor is losing the charge. Okay. Or else you can put here minus dq by dt. That is your wish. Means you can write here or Q by C is equals to, actually we got dq by dt into R. Since the charge is lost, dq will be negative, minus dq by dt you can write. Now you understood, I think?
Yes, sir.
Clear,
Right.
sir.
Good. So here as usual, Nana, take other terms here like minus dt by CR is equals to here dq by q. You will get again some integration and one formula here. Okay, this is like minus t by CR and that is log q, all of you know. Okay, after short circuiting this part means again starting the time from t is equals to 0. Okay, Nana? from t is equals to 0, 0 to after a time t, after a time t. I think here at a time t is equals to 0, what will be the charge on the capacitor, Nana?
Q, sir.
Q naught.
Yeah, Q. Q means Q naught. So initial charge is Q naught. After certain
Zero.
time, decrease.
Zero.
Finally 0.
Yes, sir.
Means at a t is equals to infinity, that will be 0. At an instant.
At an
Okay.
instant, we are calculating.
Yeah, we have to calculate. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So this will be minus t by CR, left hand side, will be log. This is Q minus Q naught, correct?
Q by Q naught, sir.
That will be Q by Q naught, log Q by Q. So again, log base E power we write, cross multiplying here. E power minus t by CR is equals to 1 minute. So here, minus t by CR is equals to, how much I got? Q by Q naught. Therefore, charge after a certain time is equals to, I am getting Q naught into e power minus t by CR. I think you observed what is the difference between the raising of charge and a fall of charge. Okay. Can I say this as decay of charge, Nana? Why? Because charge is decreasing. Okay. Whereas in the previous case, we got here growth of charge or decay of charge?
Growth.
So can I say this is growth of charge?
Yes, sir.
This is growing and that is decaying. That is decaying means almost identical to your, if you know the concept of radioactivity, like decay of radioactivity. Anyone knows that formula or decay of radioactivity in your 10th class or lower standards?
No, sir.
Even in
sir.
chemistry?
లేదు sir.
No,
I
sir.
think you know one formula, number of radioactive elements after certain time, n is equals to n naught into e power minus lambda t.
లేదు sir.
Leda?
No,
Okay,
sir.
okay. Then leave it. Better we avoid this one. Means my intention is, I am saying that it is identical to decay of radioactive substance. Okay. This is charge decay. That is radioactive decay of elements. Okay, leave it now. You
సార్
understand?
అది ఫస్ట్ చాప్టర్ లో ఉందా సార్ లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ ఫిజికల్ వరల్డ్ లో
Which one, Nana?
మీరు రాసిన ఫార్ములా
T by CR term you got here. Again, can I say TCR is the time constant here also?
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Then again, they may ask one question here. After one time constant, what will be the charge?
అది ఇక్కడ 0.3
7 Q naught, sir.
Yeah. Then Q is equals to Q naught into, you will get just e power minus 1.
0.3 సార్
That value already I gave, 1 by E, 0.37. So Q is equals to 0.37 Q naught. Okay. Means charge decays to the maximum value just by 37% only, not 63%. Means you have to understand one logical point here. While growing, charge quickly grows to 63%. Whereas while decaying here, if you draw, this is decaying means exponential graph only. Decreasing graph or increasing graph, Nana?
డిక్రీజింగ్
Very good. Decreasing means it should not start from origin. It should start from some point. Initially at t is equals to 0, already you told that Q is equals to Q naught. Here in substituting limits you told. Okay? And from Q naught it decreases means I think you will get a graph like this, exponential. Okay. So here the charge decreases to only 0.37%, somewhere here 0.37% in one time constant. That's what I'm saying. This is equals to t is equals to 1t, 1 tau. Okay. See, decay is a slow process. Growth is a quick process. Can I conclude like this, Nana?
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Growing of charge very quickly it is, but decaying, it is not decaying, slowly. Okay. Like having the lunch. If you ask for the resistor, I'm taking it as appliance. Why I'm connecting the capacitor here, sir? Okay.
Yes.
Here, the capacitor main advantage of connecting one capacitor to the resistor. Generally, Nana, someone posted something here. Sorry, in AC. Yes, here. Generally, we connect all the appliances not to DC source, Nana. This is actually the DC source, battery. Okay. Whereas AC source, we connect actually all these appliances. AC source means their current continuously changed, and that part I will explain in AC chapter, Nana. Okay. And here, the capacitor, you observe, in just a few milliseconds, it obstructs the flow of DC current. You observe here, I2 becomes 0. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Means it is not allowing the DC current. That's why we use it as a filter of DC current. Okay, means it does not allow the flow of DC. In just a few milliseconds, it stops. But AC current, it allows to flow, Nana. How it allows to flow, that I will explain in AC chapter. But it allows to flow. So due to fluctuations, whatever you connected here, the AC source at the transformer or some blah, blah, blah. Okay, due to fluctuations, generally we get the combination of AC and DC to our houses, Nana. If AC and DC flows through the appliance, that appliance will heat up very quickly. That's why here capacity is required for what? To filter the DC part. Then the appliance will run only with the AC. That's why generally we use the capacitor practically. Okay, no problem.
సార్ ఈ టైప్ ఉన్న ఏసీనే ఇన్వర్టర్ ఏసీ అంటారు కదా సార్.
So this is the discharging case.
Sir,
Right,
this
Nana?
I naught is due to the capacitor, no, sir?
Which one, Nana?
I naught. The I which is there in the circuit.
I is actually delivered by whom?
By capacitor.
Yeah, that's why we took the rate of change of charge here delivered by the capacitor.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Here what
So
we took dq by dt.
Yes, sir.
Here this is.
So, sir, in this case, I naught will be again the C by E.
No. Q naught by CR kada Nana. Q naught by CR means Q naught is equals to CE. Already you know.
Yes, sir.
By CR. That is previous E by R.
Okay, sir. So, sir, if we ask I naught is due to the capacitor only, no, sir?
Due to the capacitor only.
Okay, okay, sir.
Good.
Yes.
Means initially you can understand that capacitor behaves like a source, means like a cell of EMF E. Why? Because initially Q is Q naught, na? Q naught means CE, na? So initially what is the potential difference across the capacitor?
E only, sir.
Means it is behaving like a source of EMF E, and it is sending the current that I is equals to E by R.
When it is short circuited, no, sir?
When it is short circuited without the source.
Okay, sir.
If this V continuously change, okay, then accordingly I becomes every time that instant V by R.
Yes, sir.
Continuously, if it is discharging the charge, the EMF will be decreased, kadanana. The potential difference across the capacitor will be decreased.
Yes, sir.
So I also will be decreased according to this equation.
సార్ సార్
Yes,
ఇక్కడ
yes.
నేను ఒకటి అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తాను సార్, అది కరెక్ట్ రాంగ్ చెప్తారా?
Yes.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు బ్యాటరీని డైరెక్ట్ గా ఇదే రెసిస్టెన్స్ కనెక్ట్ చేస్తే అది అంటే అలానే కనెక్ట్ చేసి వదిలేస్తే చాలా టైంకి ఆ పొటెన్షియల్ డిఫరెన్స్ అక్రాస్ బ్యాటరీ 0 అవుతుంది కదా సార్?
This is in case of capacitor.
నేను బ్యాటరీ చెప్తున్నా సార్.
Battery ante the difference between the battery means source and a capacitor fundamentally here the difference is it can maintain the potential difference across the ends constant for a long time.
అదే సార్, అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇది టైం ఎక్కువ కదా సార్ చాలా, దీనికి ఆ పొటెన్షియల్ 0 అవ్వడానికి ఈ నుంచి. అదే కెపాసిటర్ కి అదే సేమ్ ఈని చాలా తక్కువ టైంలో 0 చేసేస్తుంది కదా సార్.
ఎవరు కెపాసిటర్ కంపేర్ టు దిస్ వన్ ఇన్ కంపారిజన్
అప్పుడు పవర్ ఆఫ్ కెపాసిటర్ ఇస్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ బ్యాటరీ అనొచ్చా?
పవర్ ఈజ్ ఇండిపెండెంట్ ఆఫ్ టైం కదా నాన్న.
సార్ పవర్ ఇండిపెండెంట్ ఆఫ్ టైం ఎలా సార్?
ఎట్లా చెప్పు.
అంటే పవర్ అంటే ఎనర్జీ డెలివర్డ్ బై టైం కదా సార్.
పర్ యూనిట్ టైం కదా, నాట్ ఇన్ ఏ గివెన్ టైం, పర్ యూనిట్ టైం. ఇప్పుడు ఏదైనా సరే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ బెస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏం చెప్దాం, 60 seconds the work done is 400 joules. In 1 second what is the work done అంటే it is depending upon time ఎట్ అవుతుంది నాన్న.
ఓకే సార్,
అర్థమైందా? పర్ సెకండ్ కదా అది.
ఎస్
రైట్. ఓకే, సో ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ నాన్న?